Hello everyone, I'm here with my lovely daughter Geneva. We are going to tackle the Mona Lisa in Legos. This is going to be really cool. We did not too long ago, we did Van Gogh's Starry Night, which I really appreciated, and it's in the treehouse, so this will be going in the treehouse as well. And don't forget, special memory here, because if you haven't watched it yet, I actually have an episode where I went to the Louvre and filmed with the Mona Lisa with no one in the room but me and a videographer. It was crazy. So if you haven't checked it out, be sure to check it out. So you ready to start it, Geneva? Mm-hmm. All right, we'll begin. Oh man. Bad one. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Interestingly, did you know the Mona Lisa is not her name? She is thought to actually be Lisa Gherardini, whose husband, Francesco del Giocondo, commissioned the work in 1503. This may explain the less popular title for the painting, La Gioconda.
Bag 2, here we go. Name is coming together. Okay, back here. Oh, little tiny pieces. Frame is completed. That's really cool. Bag 5, here we go. I think we're just laying down literally the canvas to build the Mona Lisa upon. Got the background, look at that. And then it's also got the hanger once we're done. Cool, can't wait to hang it up. So we basically just made the canvas. So now all we gotta do is just make, the whole painting. Yeah.
Color.
So much color. Ooh.
In 1956, someone threw acid at the Mona Lisa. Later that same year, another person chucked a rock at the portrait. These attacks led to the painting being encased in bulletproof glass.
Bag 8. Bag 9. Background is really taking shape. It looks like she has a big cone head. Bottom of her dress coming along. All right, bag 13, here we go. Bag 14, here we go! Oh yeah, bag 14. Oh yeah, bag 15, we're almost done here, folks. Perfectly. See if I get to the side angle here, you can really see the depth. Not bad. I would like it to be yay high, like way deep, but it's still pretty cool, especially looking at it from the side view.
Did you know the Mona Lisa was once stolen? A Louvre employee smuggled the Mona Lisa out under his smock because he felt she belonged to Italy and not France. He was later caught, but the story is fascinating. I have a whole episode about it. Check it out.
All right, Geneva and I are ready. Bag 17. Can you see that? 17, last bag.
Ooh, eyeballs, eyeballs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, finishing up the last little bits. She's looking good. She's looking good. All right, let's go put this bad boy in the treehouse. I can't wait to hang up my Mona Lisa. Da, 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 da. So there you have it, finished Lego Mona Lisa. I give this 2 thumbs up. I love it. I love the fact that it actually is raised up off of the palette. It makes the canvas kind of stick out. It's not as three-dimensional as the Van Gogh Starry Night, but still pretty amazing. So, man, she looks so good in the treehouse. I love it. Be sure to, as I mentioned, check out my episode at the Louvre that I filmed with the Mona Lisa with no one else in the room. You gotta check it out. And of course, all my Louvre episodes are some of my favorites, so check those out too. Otherwise, have a great day, and I hope you love this episode. And please be sure to subscribe. It is epically helpful for me, and it's free to you, absolutely free. Have a great day.
Ha 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 ha.